Santa Claus Rally, year-end optimism source. The trading theme revolves around plenty of optimism for a strong year-end rally to cap off another spectacular year in the markets. As things stand now, Nifty and Sensex are up 12.6% YTD, the S&P 500 is up 27% for the year, with Nasdaq up 27% and the Dow up 19.7%. The positive takeaway is that all bullish eyes now on the Santa Claus rally that suggests the idea that the final few days of December 2024 are a strong period for stocks. The positive catalysts for the day. 1. Once again, FIIs were net buyers in yesterday's trade. 2. Overnight, the Dow Jones gains, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq grinding out modest advances to reach fresh all-time highs on prospect of A business-friendly administration under President-elect Donald Trump. B. A resilient US economy. C. Profit-boosting effects of the new AI investment wave. Our call of the day suggests Nifty could simply rocket upward to the moon and, most importantly, look to fly beyond the stars only if FIIs remain consistent buyers to Indian equities. Going forward, the US, Friday's non-farm payroll numbers will take center stage, with the US economy projected to add 183k jobs. A too hot number could sway Fed policy. According to the CME FedWatch tool, futures traders put the probability of a December cut at 70%. The Federal Open Market Committee's interest rate policy decision is on 18th December. Long story short, up again for benchmark Nifty. Market trends. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1798 crores while DIIs sold shares to the tune of Rs 901 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating rebound play. FANO December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is trading near 14.45 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th December, is at 1.25 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th December, is at 1.15. Nifty outlook, Nifty is likely to trade with positive bias. Crucial levels, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty, CMP to 4467. Support, 24,350 to 24,300. Resistance, 24,550 to 24,600. Range, 24,300 to 24,600. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 5366. Support, 52,950 to 52,900. Resistance, 53,550 to 53,600. Range, 52,900 to 53,600. Bias, sideways to bullish. Need to know. The bullish theme revolves around hopes for a dovish Reserve Bank of India's RBI monetary policy announcement. Amidst this backdrop, the Nifty PSU Bank Index was up to 6% in yesterday's trade while HDFC Bank scaled new all-time high at Rs 1,865. So, the key highlight for this week will be RBI MPC outcome policy decision on Friday, 6th December. RBI is expected to maintain status quo because of rampant inflationary pressures as the retail inflation last month shot above 6% mark. Also, the growth forecasts may also be revised amidst disappointing GDP figures where India witnessed a fall in GDP to multi-quarter low of 5.4% in Q2 FY25. Net-net, the RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das's commentary with respect to the timeline for beginning of rate cut cycle and growth forecast by the central bank will be watched keenly. Buzzing stocks. 1. Vodafone Group PLC to offload Indus Towers stake via 2,700 crore rupees block trade at a slight discount. 2. Nifty Auto is seen trading sluggish amidst underperforming stocks like Tata Motors, Maruti Suzuki, Bajaj Auto,